You must have recently observed a trend of people getting famous on Instagram, right? People, organization, companies, etc., etc. But how can you make a viral reel? Well, by simply following us. Hey guys, this is Jai Sasrapade, you're watching Varu TV, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make a viral reel for yourself. Now, simply what you have to do as a first step is go to your Instagram app. Yeah, while I'm talking, go to your Instagram app. Once you're on your Instagram app, I want you to click on the Reels icon on the bottom center of your Instagram app. Once you've clicked on the Reels icon, you're going to go through some Reels. Find a reel that resonates with you. Find a reel that you can actually execute, right? Once you've found such a reel, save it. Once you've saved the reel, you know what you're doing. I want you to click on the audio of the reel. Now, this is what makes your reel actually famous. That's right. A lot of people think it's to do a lot with hashtags, but the truth is that the audio plays a major role because it's the audio that keeps the person constantly churning that reel, right? So once you have found the audio, click on the save audio button. Once you've saved the audio, don't worry. Now is the time that you start creating your reel. Now, editing the reel is a different topic and a video on that is coming very soon. So make sure that you click on the subscribe button so that you get notified when that happens. Now, moving on, once you've made your reel, and by the way, to make a reel, you don't need a fancy app. You can use your stock camera app and it just needs to be 30 seconds because it's short form content, right? Some tips to follow is basically have a looping reel. That means if the person is watching from the end or start, it seems the same, right? Now a video on that will also come soon. Now, once you've made your reel, what you have to do is go to the Instagram app again, click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Once you've clicked on the top right corner, you will be presented with an upload interface. Now in this interface, on the bottom right, you're going to find some options like posts, stories, reels. Click on reels. Once you've done that, you have to select the video from your gallery. I hope you have selected the video from your gallery now. Once you've selected the video, right, you will be presented in the Reels page. Here you can add effects, stickers, etc., etc. The biggest thing that you need to add is audio. So on the left hand side, you're going to find some menus. In this, select audio. Once you've selected the audio, you will find a few options. Click on using saved audio. Once you've used your saved audio, you now have your reel and your audio ready. What I want you to do is go ahead, right? Now we are coming to another main part, the cover and the hashtags. Now these two things will make or break your reel, right? So I want you to type something in the title which resonates with the reel but is also interesting. See, for someone whose internet isn't working that well, he's going to read the title. And if he doesn't find the title interesting, he's going to say, who's going to waste my time on this data, right? So what you need to do right now is type in a title that's interesting and somewhat related to the reel. Add in hashtags. Now I know finding correct hashtags is difficult. Well, you can simply use a hashtag generator tool. Links for a few will be down in the description. Once you have found the hashtag, you've done your description and title, now it's time to find the cover. In the cover, you can upload your own image. Upload your own image. It's somewhat like YouTube Studio. You need to upload your own image as a thumbnail, as a cover, or whatever it is, because the ones that they provide are not at all attractive. Now, once you've done that, well, you have to just wait. Now, why will this reel go viral and not just, anything that you put up? Firstly, audio. A lot of people actually are looking at the audio constantly. So now Instagram starts recommending new reels based on that audio. And that is your way in. Other than that, a lot of people also have some interests listed out in their profiles or their bios. Now these interests are being observed by Instagram. And again, if your hashtag matches those interests, these reels will be visible to those people, right? So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope your reels go viral, and if they do, make sure that you comment down below. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.